Hey, what's going on real quick? I just want to recap what happened in October since we start in November. But if you would like to follow me on the Discord, just look up All Gas No Breaks. I post a lot of content, or I don't post signals. I just post where I think it's going and potential trade advice. I really don't post actual signals, but I do have student charts where they send me stuff. Um, as well as strategies, things of that nature. And we do study hall where I have certain stuff in here. But other than that, let's get to business. So today we're going over the Marubozo candle, the dominance of the candle, what I've seen and what I've used in 4 hour time frame. If you look at Marubozo candle, it's a Japanese word for dominance. These are extremely powerful candles. They have a long body with small or no shadows. Meaning shadows meaning if you're new, that means it's the top or bottom wicks is the shadows. And we're talking about we're just using this for the forex market. We're not using it for stocks, but I'm showing you this pretty much. They can work on both. It means the stock opened at a certain level and kept rising without falling. Similarity to red bozo is formed. The red Marubozo is formed, but the price opens up at a certain price and keeps falling. It can be a trend reversal or continuation candle. So I just want to show you in August and October. If you look at, I use this indicator, and it was going to go over it right here. And if you look from the first to the second, it had, and it actually comes up. You have to wait. This is the 4 hour time frame again. So if you look, you only have to look at the candle. You don't have to stay on the chart all day. If you look, that's 8, 12, 4, 8, 12, such and such, such and such. So if you see right here, I do 1 and 1, and I typically bring the price up to right here. And let's just go sell right here, see how it works out. And let's bring it up. All right, so it did hit as well right here. Boom. Let's just take this out right here. Up. Even though it's negative 55, it did hit right here. So let's go back. So it typically hit right here. All right. And then if you look in, and you have to be patient. This is from the first to the eighth. Um, you have to be patient with the rest of the week because if you only need one sale, you actually typically with this one, you only need one trade per week. And if you see right here, you can take trades right here, but we just going off the Marubozo as well. But you could take trades right here. If you can see, it went up all week, and then on Thursday it reversed. You can see boom right here, but we're just going off the Marubozo right now. And you can see for 2 weeks there was nothing. There was nothing for 2 weeks. All right, and like I said, it goes with being patient. For 2 weeks, from the 18th to the 22nd, nothing. And if you come over here to the 22nd and 29th, you look at this America. So it don't the indicator don't actually say it right here, but if you been watching the charts a lot, you can tell that this is. Man, let's turn it around. Let's bring it down a little bit. You can see right here. This is a Marubozo candle right here as well. All right, you can see it says this is a sell candle, so there's no top wick. So indicators are not always correct, as you can see. So this one is the actual one on the 29th of the 24th. Went for 50 pips. And as you see, it came up again. And then that's one trade for that week. And if you look right here, Marubozo white. All right. Basically the 30th of October, another one around 4 o'clock, again on the 4 hour candle. And it took about a day to hit on the next Tuesday. And if you look right here, this was actually FOMC right here on the first. And as you can see right here, if you do 50 and 50 again, and boom, so you can see little to no wick right here. If you can look right here, but uh, if you're new, I'm not going to tell you not to trade FOMC. Just be careful. As you can see, this candle right here was about 120 points or pips. It went up in the span of 4 hours or 8 hours. It literally went up about almost 200 pips. All right. So if you look back right here for the month of October, 3 trades because this is counts for November. So on the higher the time frame, I would say it's better. So all I did was go in here to Marubozo Black Bear, and if you look, Marubozo Black, Marubozo White Bullish. All right, and that's all I did. I didn't tweak it. I don't even think you can tweak this stuff. Now you really can't. Precision, you can play with this stuff as well. I just kept it on the main screen or the main edits. So again, we're gonna look back on the first of the month. Look, Marubozo Black, and then you have to look at. You can't just go off of this alone. If you can see, I have my support and resistance lines already drawn out. You know, I went from the daily, where as you were, I went from the weekly. All right, the weekly, that's the highs and lows. And then I went to the daily. I use support resistance lines. All right, boom, boom, boom. And then I went down to the 4 hour time frame. And as you can see, we in a big range right now. So sometimes it's easier to trade ranges, 279 box range. So sometimes it's easier to to trade ranges, especially if it's in a big range for the month, because once you get your highs and lows for the month, you can typically uh, see where it's going. And then if you see right here, this was the low starting off the week, the month. The next week it created that high, and it kind of played around inside of this range right here. So you beginner, I'm gonna say be careful. If you season, then do your thing. But again, this is just off the Marubozo candle, and if you look, and it is not 100% accurate all the time, but typically, if you look back right here, you can see Marubozo candle right here. Then you can see, and this is going to help you out, right? You have to look at your support and resistance line, right? So it broke this trend, so you can tell, you can see that it's on the uptrend, all right, on the uptrend. So if you see this candle right here, all right, you're not going to take that sale because it's on the uptrend, all right. So don't 100% believe in some of the indicators. You have to go off. You have to have more than one confluence. So if you see right here, it broke through, no bottom wick. All right, boom. That's a strong indication. All right, small push, but we on the uptrend. Okay, so you wouldn't take this one because you would have took this one, and it's breaking through the next. It's breaking through resistance, going to the next zone. All right, nothing, nothing, nothing. All right, typically a small Marubozo right here, breaking back through. All right, on the downtrend. All right, right here, downtrend. As you can see, it's on the downtrend. All right, downtrend. All right, so as you can see, it's pretty accurate right here. It had one mess up right here. All right, pretty large candle right here. I would say you would have got stopped out right here because we are at an uptrend right here. But if you look, one, two, three, three levels have formed. All right. And you, let me see, where is it? Yep. You would have probably got, let's see. Let's see. Let's go 50 and 50. Let's see if you would have got stopped out. But it did 50 and 50. No, you actually would have profited off that 50 and 50. All right. Let's see right here. Marubozo candle, it went back again. You can bring in the retest as it broke through. So you can see right here, we got stopped out right here. All right. We got the money resistant. We got the money back right here. All right. We did 50 and 50. Then you can use the Heikenaishi candle as well to keep you in 50 and 50 right here. Okay. So you see out of the 1, 2, 3, the 3 trades, we were 3 and 1 on here. Okay. Not taking this because we're on the uptrend. All right. And if you go down here, all right, let's go 50 and 50. All right. So right here, boom. Let's hit this one again. And this takes time because of the simple fact that this is the 4 hour time frame. Okay. So right here, boom. All right. So let's see. Since June till November, we had a total of 9 trades and one loss. All right. 9 trades and one loss. So I said and that's just on GU. All right. As far as this goes, I'm only testing this one. So um, the uh, let's go from June 9th, right? From June 9th to let's see, to November 1st, 9 trades, one loss. So I would say I would say that was a pretty good trading. Let's see, about 5 months of trading. And as you can see, it's on the uptrend, and it retested this trend line right here. Boom, it came back up. All right, and then we got over here to October through November, which is pretty good consolidation. All right, but all in all, I would say the Marubozo Candle is pretty good so far. No, I haven't did 100 trades. I'm showing you what I've seen that I've used. I like to forward test some of this stuff. No, I know I typically don't. That's just me, and I've been studying these Marubozo for a while. So I just noticed that on the higher time frames, they're more accurate. Now I haven't tested anything below um, the 4 hour time frame. I typically stick with the 4 hour to the daily time frame because they're pretty much more accurate on that level. But leave it up to you. You can actually um, do what you have to do when it comes to testing. But other than that, pretty much it was from October 2nd to November 1st, which is 30 days. We had 4 trades. So 4-0. So you do the math, and again, this is the trend uptrend. And then if you look right here, it was still on the downtrend right here. And then if you can see, it started going upward because it broke. Excuse me. It broke up right here and boom, it went up to here, created that high. And you could have drew a trend line, right here, boom, all the way up. It broke below again, consolidation for this next week. So you went 2 weeks with no trades on this pair. All right. If you only trade this pair, that's fine because in a month you can still be profitable. You got to think, just treat this like, I would say treat it like a job because, a business, because you don't get paid every day. So sometimes you don't have to, or every week, you don't have to look at getting paid every single day because if you look at the less trades you take, the more profitable you're going to be. All right. Other than that, hope you guys have a good trading week. And the key factor is risk management. You don't have to take trades every single day or every single week. Some weeks you can relax and take it easy. All right. Other than that, y'all have a blessed trading week and be safe.